Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today I'm going to talk about what I had to do to my office to make it sound better. Because my office is basically a bedroom with hard walls and a window, and the acoustics is terrible in it. So one of the things I wanted to do was soften that up. So the way to do that is use acoustic panels. And in my case, I happen to pick up acoustic panels from Elgato, and these are they call these the Wave Panels, but it comes in a starter kit, and they have an extension kit. But basically, I got their acoustic panels, and they're really easy to install. And I'll show you how they look. So let's take a look at what's in each of the boxes. So I'm going to take this because there's a lot of gear, and put this one down for a second. And take things out of here and show you everything comes with. Look at this. Look at all the gear they give you. Lots and lots of gear, and also instruction manual. All right, and then in the box itself, lots of cardboard so they can be protected. And these are the panels. So I got it pretty blue. There's other colors available. All right. So, and that's how it looks in the back. In the back, there's these little pluggy holes here, and you'll see how that works when we go to install them. All right. So comes all these panels. The panels are nice. They see they got like a, I don't know if you can tell, there's like a soft foam here, and they got little patterns, and you can kind of line them up any way you want. And then they have kind of a felt backing, a little bit rigid backing. All right, and then it comes with the things you need to put together. Oh man, look at this, all this stuff put it together. But this here, you put these together, they snap together here, and the whole idea is you put them together, like let's do one of them here, and they snap together, and they snap into the hexagon shape, and you just snap these together to make a frame. And they give you enough for all the panels, which is really nice. That's it. So I've now made one frame, right? Put this there for a second. So they give you enough of these guys here to build all the frames you need. There's more in this box here. And they give you these clips because if I want to connect more than one panel together, I can use these clips. And the clips are cool. They snap in here, basically like this. And then when you want to do the next frame, imagine this has been built, right? You see what you do? You just take this. This is the next frame, and snaps together, right? And you do that on the walls, probably easier, but that's it. It's just really easy to connect all the panels together in a design that you come up with, and they give you all these connectors for that. So put these over here. And then the other thing they give you, which is really handy, because you may not want to drill on your wall, although you can, the sticky tape, two-sided sticky tape, all right, to put on here. And you just mount that tape onto the back of these things here, and then just stick it to the wall. Or if you want, you can also, they give you the mollies and the screws. You can actually screw it onto the wall as well if you want it really to be secure. I just used the sticky tape, and that worked out just fine because they're not heavy. Like they don't really lightweight, which is kind of nice. So everything comes in the kit that you need right now. So how does this come together? Well, let's take a look at this panel again. Here it is in the back. So imagine this is on the wall. All you do is mate them together. And so let me do it here. So it just comes on here, just presses on. So remember those holes in the bottom? These holes? And basically these things are just pressing into that hole, and there you go. You've got your panel. So now I went in my office and I put them all over the place in some pattern I thought was going to make it quiet, and hooked them all up, put on these panels. It worked out really well. And now if I want to do a voiceover, or frankly if I'm on a Zoom call or whatever else, the acoustics in the room are really nice. It really deadens the excess sound of the reverberations you hear in that office, and it works great. So I also got the extension kit, and again it comes with all the little connectors you need to make the panels. It comes with the tapes, and it comes with the clips, and another instruction manual. And it comes with two. The extension kit only had two panels, but I got them in black. So they're kind of cute. They're in black. Probably all washed out on the screen. Can you see them? There you go. It's all black. So it's neat because you can put these together in different colors. They also have white ones as well. So basically you got black, blue, and white. And you can mix and match them all you want and pick up what you need. So one of the things that's kind of cool is you see these two different panels. There's 3 of these and 3 of these in the starter kit. And you notice there's a difference in the pattern. So there's this angled pattern here looks the same. But on this panel, they kind of curve around. And on this panel, they come straight. So here you can see it. See, there's a difference in the patterns. So 3 and 3 of each. And then it does 1 and 1. So you have 2 different patterns here as well. So that's it. That is the Elgato Wave Panels. But more importantly, this is how I soundproofed my office. Thank you for watching.